Hi class, today we're just going to be walking through how to read points on a map and finding the longitude and latitude of points on the map. A few things before jumping in. Latitude lines are going to be running left to right. They measure how far we are from the equator. Longitude lines are going to be running up and down. They measure how far we are from the prime meridian or anti-meridian. Just a few other things to note. There are going to be minute hands or minute hashes. These are going to be counting 1 minute, and then there's also going to be a seconds compass, or not compass, a seconds chart. That's going to tell us how many seconds we are away from the minute hashes. There are also the same thing for measuring latitude as there is for longitude. Before we hop in, there's a few resources that we need. We need a compass. Compasses help to find the distance between a point and a line. Something that's also useful is a ruler. And then for this example, we're also going to be using a paper map to help find points. The point we're going to be using today is point 23. Point 23 is marked dolphin on the paper map. So we're just going to be finding the point dolphin on this map, which is right here. The first thing we're going to find is longitude. Longitude, we're just going to find the closest line, which is this line right here. We're going to open up the compass, so 1 point is on point dolphin, and 1 point's going to land on the longitude line. We want to make sure that the longitude line this compass is not at an angle like this or an angle like this. We want it to be straight on to this aim, being perpendicular to the longitude line. We're then going to drag down this to the longitude line, and we're going to find here. Now this is going to be lining up directly with our point because it's the same distance. We're then going to lift the compass up and close it down till we reach the minute hash, which is the 2-minute hash. We now know that the longitude is at least 122 degrees and 2 minutes. The final step of finding longitude is finding the seconds. We're going to then move the compass down to the second mark, putting it on 1. And then we're just going to see how many hashes. Each hash is 5 seconds. And so we're just going to count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We now know that the point dolphin, longitude-wise, is 122 degrees, 2 minutes, and 25 seconds. The next step we're going to do is finding latitude. Latitude is basically the same thing. We're going to put the point here, and then we're going to find the line running left and right, the closest one. And we're going to pick it up, and we're going to put point on the line, make sure that the compass is perpendicular with the line. We're then going to move it way over here, making sure we put the compass point on the same line that we put it, and then we're going to set this down. We're then going to close it into the nearest hash, which happens to be 7 minutes. And since 7 minutes is already the seconds, it makes it a lot easier for us. And we can see that the next nearest hash is 5 seconds. And so now we know the latitude is 38 degrees, 7 minutes, and 5 seconds. Point dolphin is 122 degrees, 2 minutes, and 25 seconds in longitude, and 38 degrees, 7 minutes, and 5 seconds in latitude. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Professor Reyes or any of the TAs for help. And I hope you have a great day.